So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your MEE6 bot on your Discord server. But before I start, I just gotta tell you there are a lot of things that this bot can do. He has a lot of functions that he can do, but in this video I'm gonna show you just a few of them. So let's start with the custom commands. What are they actually useful for? Let's say you wanna type some command, and when this command is typed for someone, every time our bot to say something, let's say there's something to be rules are stupid, and let's check this out. Is it working? Now every time someone says rules, as you can see, our MEE6 bot says rules are stupid. And that's very useful if you want to have some rules and if you want everyone to know them. So let's move on to next function, timers. What are they actually useful for? If let's say we wanna repeat some message on every 1 or 5 minutes, I don't know. Let's this message to be don't forget to sub for Dr. Niki, like this on every 1 minute. And also you can choose on which days this message to be repeated. So let's create it. Wait, why we can create it? But oh yeah, choose the channel and you create it. Now on every, as you can see, on every 1 minute this message will be repeated. And that's how to set up your MEE6 bot on your Discord server. I know there's a lot of things like welcome, like moderator, like search anything, or like listen to music directly on your Discord. But yeah, if you wanna know how to set up reaction rules, just check the last video in the channel and you'll see how just is very easy and simple. And yeah, if you have some questions or some problems, comment down below in the video, in the comments I mean, and I will try to respond. And make sure to give it a like. See you next video. Bye.